How to create BOM in Tally Prime. Go to create, select an stock item, and let's name the stock item. And the stock item is in kgs. We are giving the unit, decimal place is 3. And then here in more details, show more, show inactive, then you find this option component list BOM. Here we will put the name of the BOM, again cake, and unit manufactured is 1 kg. Now we will select the items which are required for making cake. Whatever ingredients are required, you will select the ingredients out of the list and keep on adding the ingredients and then save.